Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super useful Gmail feature that can save you tons of time and streamline your workflow, Gmail Delegation. Whether you're a busy professional, a business owner, or just someone who needs a little help managing their inbox, this guide will walk you through the full process of setting it up in 2025. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share a few important tips to make sure you use this feature safely and effectively. What is Gmail delegation and why use it? Gmail delegation allows you to give another person access to your Gmail account without sharing your password. That means an assistant, colleague, or team member can read, send, and organize emails on your behalf while you still keep control of the account. It's like having a trusted extra set of hands managing your inbox for you. Step-by-step setup guide. All right, let's set it up. First, log into your Gmail account. In the top right corner, click on the gear icon, then select See All Settings. Head over to the Accounts and Import tab. Scroll down to the section called Grant Access to Your Account. Click Add Another Account. Type in the Gmail address of the person you want to delegate access to. Hit Next Step, then click Send Email to grant access. And that's it from your side. The person you delegated to will get an email invitation. They'll need to accept it, and once they do, it can take up to 24 hours for access to be fully active. After that, they'll be able to manage your emails just like you would, but they won't be able to change your password or account settings. Now, here's the key takeaway. Only delegate access to someone you completely trust. Remember, they'll see all your emails. So this is best used for assistants, work colleagues, or business partners. It's a powerful tool, but it needs to be used wisely. And there you have it, the full 2025 guide to setting up Gmail delegation. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Also, drop a comment if you've tried delegation before or if you're planning to set it up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.